Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Agustin Putri Wijayanti. First, that I want to say is thank God for the blessing on us so that we can see this video in good health. And dear Mr. Joe and all of my friends, I'm very happy to be able to explain and describe the content of my final semester exam for the Contrastive Analysis course in this video for all of you. So the title of my final semester assignment for this contrastive analysis course is Contrastive Analysis English and Indonesian Personal Pronouns. I chose this title because not many people have used that title to research, and on my perspective proposed topic from the very beginning of this semester with the composite parts all as follows. First, background of the study, two, limitation of the problem, three, statement of the problem, four, sub-object of the study, and five, significance of the study. In the first part is the background, which discuss about language. The main function of language is as a means of communication between humans. Language as intermediary tool between community member in a group and means of interaction individually or in groups. In short, language is a means of communication. So, language are not usually spoken in exactly the same way from one place in a country to another. Differences in the way different people speak language are explained in terms of regional and social change, see dialects and socialect. And therefore, many unrelated languages share the same functionality, such as same alphabet. English and Indonesian use a same alphabet, but in completely different ways. They are written differently. And in English, there are 8 kinds of pronouns, namely personal pronouns that I, you, he, and self pronoun that myself and yourself, and indicating pronouns is this and that. Possession pronouns is me and your. Relative pronouns that who and which. Interrogative pronoun that who and what. Reciprocal pronouns is each other, one other, and so on. Personal pronouns are types of pronouns that are used to replace the noun pronouns or person with another nouns. Pronouns of this type are divided to 6 types, namely first person singular, first person plural, second person singular, second person plural, third person singular, and third person plural. Based on the explanation above, the writer wants to investigate Indonesian pronoun and compare them with English. And to compare the two language, Indonesian and English, I use contrastive analysis as it is a language enterprise. I'm at production inverse. And furthermore, in part 2, namely limitation of the study, contains about first the similarities between analysis English and Indonesian personal pronouns, 2, the prediction on learning or translating problem based on the differences between analysis English and Indonesian personal pronouns. And the last is the differences analysis English and Indonesian personal pronoun. Next, part 3 is research question. Based on the limitation of the study above, this research question of the contrastive analysis between English noun phrase and their Indonesian equivalent and English and Indonesian personal pronoun are as follows. What are the similarities between English noun phrase and their Indonesian equivalent in English and Indonesia personal pronouns? 2 is what are the differences between English noun phrase and their Indonesian equivalent in English and Indonesian personal pronoun. Third is how do we predict the learning or translating problem based on the differences between English non-phrase and their Indonesian equivalent in English and Indonesia personal pronouns. In part 4, that is objective of the study, based on the research question above, the objective of the study of the contrastive analysis English Indonesian personal pronoun are as follows. One is to find out the similarities between English and their Indonesian equivalent in personal pronoun. 2 is to find out the differences between English and their Indonesian equivalent in personal pronoun. And 3, to predict the learning or translating problem based on the differences between English and their Indonesian equivalent in personal pronoun. And the last one is part 5, that significance of the study. Based on the background of the study, the limitation of the research, the statement of the problem, and the objective of the study state all above, the result is contrast of this contrastive analysis English and Indonesian personal pronoun are expected to significant or provide benefit to the following. First, the research, and to the researcher in the area of translation studies, 3, the readers in general, 4, the translation practitioners, and 5 is the institution. So here are a few things that I can say in this occasion, and apologize profusely if there are words of action that I are less pleasing. With this, I finish this presentation and thank all of you that because watch my video, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.